Nadia.
And I'm Robbie. Welcome to 4284 Woodland Shadows Place, tucked in the tranquil neighborhood of Montecito Heights.
This area is known for its mature trees, serene settings, and quiet streets, just minutes away from everything Santa Rosa has to offer.
This home is located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac with the perfect mix of privacy, space, and potential.
Now let's go take a look inside.
Thanks for joining us at 4284 Woodland Shadows.
A beautiful Montecito Heights retreat with so much to offer.
If you'd like more information or a private tour,
Please reach out to us. We'd love to show you around.